Hello, my name is Marcus with WTI. Today I'd like to show you the Logitech G203. This very stylish modern design of this wide gaming mouse is minimalistic yet beautiful for your gaming setup. The RGB lights are not too harsh on the eye, which I especially love about this mouse. Adjustable DPI to change your mouse sensitivity, which you can change to fit your preferred gaming style. Because it's running on Logitech's platform, this mouse has light sync, which means you can configure the mouse to react to change its colors in video games, movies, etc. In addition to all of these features, the G203 gives you 6 buttons. One to adjust your DPI, the second, which is your scroller wheel, which acts like another in-game button. You also have your classical 2 buttons, which is the left and the right buttons. And lastly, you have the 2 buttons on the left-hand side of the mouse. I've been using this mouse for the past couple of months, and for me, it has been one of my best buys, which I recommend. And that's my point of view.